Hello, this is Team 15. Today we will review our assessment 2. This is a screenshot for our chatbot. Here, we have located tasks to each group member, recorded what we have done and what we plan to do in next week. You can check details by clicking each card and list. And this is our GitHub history. Each group member uploaded several times when finishing our task. Here are links to weekly video reports. We will also upload this PowerPoint for you to check them. For group member allocation, I am Futing Han, the project manager of our group. Yu Xuanxiong is a developer and Yuan Ren is the configuration manager. I am responsible for manage chatbot, model design, interface design, and check the whole project.
I am responsible for view model design, the API, and the database implementation for the interface, and wrap up the whole project.
And my responsibility for view design and location model and security.
This is our whole project retrospective. In week 6, we use the modeling tool to design the UI and determine the main idea of our application and the functions we are going to implement. This is our design for the layout. In week 7, we finished the UI implementation, built MVVM pattern for the whole project, and constructed the API for the weather information. This is the final layout. In week 8, we finished interface, database, and synchronization parts. Later, we will introduce all these features one by one in the demo. In week 9, we focus on the security part. Then we check the whole project and wrap it up. As for improve this application, we think that maybe we can add some dynamic background images according to the different types of weather. In addition, we can add the text-to-speech function, which will be a more convenient way for users to get information. About application description, the main idea of this application is that it is a weather forecast cross-platform mobile application using Xamarin Forms. And the target users will be somebody who likes to get information in a simple and efficient way. As for its business value, this application can be used in some social applications as a widget. Now we will demonstrate these features by Yu Xuanxiong.
MVVM. The first required feature is MVVM. MVVM is a pattern to separate a big project into 4 levels. The pattern will simplify the project management and debugging. In our project, all files for data source is stored in data folder. For example, the database.cs fetch data from the database. And weather API.cs fetch data from server. API. A HTTP client object send a HTTP request to openweathermap.org. And this server will return a JSON object, which will be transferred into the weather object. We use 2 API in this project. The first is for the current weather information in search page. And another API is for the weather list in the main page, which display weather information prediction every 3 hours. Interface. In our project, we designed an interface for location data access object. This interface has only 2 functions: get and add location, which will be implemented in database class. In the model view, the code interacts with the interface only. Database. In our project, we only store the location information, so the database class only implements location interface. This class creates a table for location and insert and get location in an object relation mapping pattern. This will demo with next part. Offline and synchronization. When the app is launched, it fetches weather information from cache, which was downloaded last time. When user clicks the search button, the location will be stored in the database. At the same time, weather information will be updated from server. Security. Before the location is stored in a database, the information will be encrypted and city name will be decrypted and then displayed in the front page. Okay, here is the whole demo. Okay, thank you.